Hello, today's topic? In a car.
Are we there yet?
Not yet, we still have a few miles to go.
How much longer will it take?
About 20 minutes, according to the GPS.
I'm getting hungry. Can we stop for food?
Sure, there's a rest area up ahead.
Great, I could go for a burger.
Sounds good. I'll pull over.
Do you want anything to drink?
A soda would be nice, thank you.
No problem. I'll grab it for you.
Thanks. Let's eat in the car.
Do you mind if I play some music?
Go ahead, I don't mind.
What type of music do you like?
I enjoy pop and rock music.
Me too, let's find a good station.
Here's your soda. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks, you too.
Do you need to use the restroom?
Yes, I'll take a quick break.
I'll wait for you here.
I'm back. Ready to hit the road again?
Yes, let's get going.
We should arrive at our destination soon.
I can't wait to relax at the hotel.
Me too, it's been a long drive.
But it's been enjoyable with good company.
Absolutely. Let's make the most of our trip.
Vocabulary.
Car. Hungry. Stop. Food. Rest. Type. Station. Meal. Restroom. Break. Road. Destination. Hotel. Drive. Company. Enjoyable. Arrive. Long. Relax. Trip.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.